Alright, today, thank you for tuning in, by the way. Today I'm going to try out this new product. So if you have silver, if you've been watching me, pick up silver. Some of the pieces I get aren't exactly pristine. We're going to try out Tarnix. Made in America. Good stuff. I already tried it on a few other items and this stuff works really good. So, I have my 1989 Silver Eagle. I don't know what causes them to do this. I keep saying, oh, it's because you touch them with your bare hands, but I'm not sure that that's what it is that does it. It probably is. And then I have my 1780 Austria coin. I think that's a woman. And then, of course, there's this big ugly line across the back. Let's see what this thing does. So what we do is we dip it with a cotton swab. Alright, let's see what it does. Get some of the solution on there. We like using the cotton swab because it allows the solution to get in between those small nooks and crannies. And look at that. All the contaminants just melt away like butter. Actually, I think butter would get a little jealous if it could see this. I say some funny things sometimes. Cool. Looks like a new Silver Eagle. Look at that. Okay, so very important. We saw this in the instructions. You can't just leave it on there. You have to wash it off or your coins will dissolve. 2 minutes. If you dip them, if you pour some of that in a cup, you can dip your silver in there, but you gotta get it out in less than 2 minutes because it will deteriorate. Okay, let's do the next one. This one here's a little bit worse. And it's cleaning right up. So just like that, you do little circles. Get it on there. Make sure you get around the letters. Get around the forehead area. Make these coins look presentable. I'm not sure why, because I never really show them off. I don't go to coin shows or none of that. The only time I ever display them is on video for my subscribers when I first get them in, and then they just sit in my safe. Other than that, I don't like. I used to, when I first got into it, I used to admire my coins for, for a few minutes every day. Like, man, this is awesome. But now I'm a seasoned veteran and I don't do that anymore. Now this side is the ugly side. Let's see if I can get some close-ups. Very interesting. Oh, let's see if that thing comes off. Oh man. That thing's a little stubborn. But it is coming off. Hey. Trying to get all the letters. all the fine details. This thing has a lot of detail. Very cool. And just like that, we got ourselves a new coin. Look at that. You could still see a little bit of remnants of that one dark black spot. Maybe the edges. I'll hit those a little later. But yeah, that does make quite a difference. Anyway, folks, real simple to use product. There it is. America. Alright. Thanks for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll go back to making another cool video.